Now question number, determine the magnitude of frictional force and acceleration of the block. Our motto, determine magnitude of frictional force. First of all, make free body diagram of that block. mg 10 into g downward. So 10 g is taken here, let g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So if you consider 10 meter per second square, then 10 into 10, that is how much? 100 Newton. Okay. Now that surface also apply force on this block is N1, always perpendicular to the surface. Normal force always act on perpendicular to the surface, okay, on the block N1. This block is not moving along this direction, so you can say that f of y is, sum of f of y is 0. It means N1 this is equal to how much? 100 Newton. I also clear. And mu(s) and mu(k) given. Mu(s) means coefficient of static friction and mu(k) means coefficient of kinetic friction. So first of all, Fs is mu(s) into N1 and Fk is mu(k) into N1. Now put value. Mu(s) is 0.3, that is 0.3 into 100, that is how much? 30 Newton. Okay, and mu(k) is how much? 0.25 into N1 is how much? 100, so 25 Newton. I also clear. Now after that, applied force in this direction means driving force like that one. So frictional force generate in opposite direction of applied force, so written F. Now case first, if applied force means capital F is greater than limiting value, limiting frictional force, that is called FL, Fs max, that is called FL. Okay, FL, then oscillation is not 0. And second case, if FL is greater than capital F, means oscillation is 0, means block is not moving. Look here, that is driving force or apply capital F. Okay, here that force is less than 30 Newton. This was 20 Newton, that is 30 Newton. This one is less than 30 Newton, means which case? Here, second case, means oscillation of the block is 0, means this block is not moving. Okay, I hope so clear. Why this block is not moving? Because of applied force is less than limiting value, limiting frictional force. Okay, or you can say maximum frictional force. Maximum frictional force is 30 Newton. So block is not moving. If block is not moving, so what about F, small f? I know that according to Newton's second law, net force on this block is 20 minus small f, this is equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration is 0. So F is how much? 20 Newton. So that force is how much? 20 Newton. And what about acceleration of the block? Is 0. Okay, acceleration of block is 0. Frictional force is how much? 20 Newton, and that frictional force is called static frictional force. Static frictional force. Frictional force, and that static frictional force is adjustable nature. Okay, so option, basically magnitude of this one is how much? That is 20 Newton, and acceleration of the block is how much? 0. Okay, make it.